the affirmative government procurement opportunities states that 30% of the tenders and 30% should go to the youth and the disabled. But when we come now and see whether the government has taken into consideration the 30% affirmative government procurement opportunities that it stated back in 2017. We don't see whether the agendas are portrayed as per what they stated. We want to urge the government that the youth are the key players of the government, and taking the youth for granted is something that we as youth are not going to collaborate with them.
Tukiangalia sometimes hawa wazee, tuseme ni wazee, unaangalia wako tu pale kwa zile viti wamekaria. Sisi kama vijana hawa wahasura sasa, we don't have any opportunity there. Ukienda pale kwa kupeana tenda, you can be given because hao bado wanataka kukuria hapo hivyo. Sika vijana ndio tunastahili at least tuwe motivated for the future coming generation.